Hello everyone, this is Callie Person for Simon Says Stamp. Today's quick tip video introduces the new Simon Says Stamp exclusive Positively Perfect White Splatter Medium. This medium is available in a 1-ounce plastic jar with a ready-to-use formulation. Simply give it a good stir and you're ready to go. There's no need to add water or to fuss with mixing it for the right consistency. This ready-to-use formula will create dynamic splatters that are opaque with a matte finish. Application on your projects using this medium is easy. Simply use the brush of your choice. You can use a round brush or a fan brush, and there's also the Holtz splatter brush. To demonstrate the use of this medium with these 3 different brushes, I'm going to splatter on some black cardstock. Cleanup on a non-porous surface is really easy to do with some water, or you can use a splat box like this to catch all of your splatters. My first demonstration uses a round brush to apply the white splatter medium. Your bristles should be soft, but they do not need to be wet. Simply dip the brush into the medium and load your brush. To apply, you can simply tap on your brush or tap the brush against your other index finger or another hard object to get the splatters to bounce off the bristles onto your project. The more medium you have on your brush, the bigger the splatters will be. My second demonstration uses the fan brush to apply the splatter medium. Again, you want to make sure the bristles are soft, but they don't have to be wet. This ready-to-use formula is ready for a paintbrush to be dipped into and splattered onto the project. As you can see with the fan brush, you do have more application of those splatters, so re-dipping is less likely unless you prefer more splatters. And again, for larger splatters, you just want more medium loaded onto your brush. Lastly, I'll demonstrate how to use the Holtz splatter brush for applying this medium. These bristles are made of plastic and are long to allow the maker to control the pull and force of the splatters against your project. After dipping into the white splatter medium, simply angle the bristles towards the project's surface, pull the bristles back, and release to apply the splatters. Here's a look at the 3 panels using the 3 different options for applying splatters. While they look slightly different here, playing with them and getting comfortable with the tool of your choice will achieve similar results. This white splatter medium is great over a variety of different inks and pigments. This first example shows the opaque white splatters over a watercolor panel. My second example shows the medium used over a panel ink blended with Simon Says Stamp Positively Saturated dye inks. This example was applied with a round number 2 brush along with my next 2 examples. This second example was an ink blended panel using distress inks. My last example shows the splatter medium used over a panel first ink blended with Distress Oxide inks. Once dry, the splatters are matte and opaque, giving your project striking texture and detail. If you've been looking for an easy-to-use, no-fuss splatter medium, the Simon Says Stamp exclusive Positively Perfect White Splatter Medium is your solution. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the features and benefits of this wonderful product. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye everyone!
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.